see us going out and I forget. Baby, all I really wanted.
Check-in people, welcome back again to the Smithsbury TV. We're out here in Kingston just to do some little business, guys. But this time we're at the waterfront. Yeah, breeze terrible up here, as you can see. Yeah, and the water is very rough.
Alright, peeps, we just cool out today, you know? Yeah, man, we just doing a little short video. We just chill with the family. Second here, Kim, I myself, Gabby behind the camera. We just have a little vibes, you know? Yeah, man, big up on ourselves. We're out here.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, people.
Definitely.
Alright, so we can stay with us and come on. Remember, I want to come right here, stay and see the flash up.
Come over here.
Yeah, the same flash up. Same place windy, guys, so water rough. Good.
Yeah, so we are going to go leave Kingston now and get straight to Mona. We get some jerk chicken, jerk pork, managed water, that's good soup. Yeah, man, just take a step back.
Remember to subscribe, guys.
Yeah, man, it's a beautiful day. Brother Javan and Sister Chen Chen, yeah. Always watch out the channel, please. You understand? So, pick up, continue supporting us, guys.
Alright, people, so we are in Old Harbour now. We leave Kingston, so we're in Old Harbour. We're gonna get a soup. Or some soup, yeah.
Yeah, so we stopped by Old Harbour Road, just close to Old Harbour Town. So we stopped by Pecos Jerk Center. Yeah, man. This is a place where we have been buying soup goat soup, jerk chicken, jerk pork for the longest while, you know? Yeah, man, you get good jerk things out here. Good jerk food and good soup. Right, so we'll get some soup, you know.
Alright, so we're gonna go outside, guys, and get the soup, alright?
Nice, sir. Wow, boss. Yeah, man. Yeah, soup. Alright, so you can't run out of soup. Alright, what price are you? 1, 2. Alright, give me 3, 2.
Bella, you want soup? Alright, so we just gonna get 3 soup and then we are going to try to find a little restaurant to get some lunch. Yeah. Bella find one friend again, people. Everywhere she goes, she find one friend. Is they leave him? You don't know if he will bite you, don't trouble him. Yes, so leave him. Alright people, when the soup come, we'll check it back with you. Come ready. Come. Come down already. Step on your soup and dash me. Pay attention now. So Gabby, how the soup tastes? Oh, you look like white woman, so who have you? I mean, it had. Let me see it. I can't smell it. Whoa. Good soup that people. Yeah man. Yeah. So I'm gonna try my one. I say hot bad.
Tastes good though.
It always tastes good, I mean, alright. Alright, she's mine. Then I don't want any soup. So, yeah, this is the soup. Real good soup, people. Here's where I buy soup at the place here. So, I'm gonna try it now and see how it tastes. Alright, I'm gonna taste mine now. Yes, it did there still. It did there still. The flavor is there still. But it's really hot. Yes, so we will get some lunch now. We have to blow it. We burn up your mouth. Alright guys, so stick around and see the end of this video. Alright. Alright.
It's a soup that pull up any gas pain. Delicious one.
Well, it tastes good.
Yeah man, it's a piece of goat, yeah.
As always. Oh
Check out.
my. I'm not getting another thing now.
Yeah, this is mine.
More in there?
I have more in them, I tell you.
Me see one piece.
Yes, so she are.
Oh my, Ricky getting him what I meat.
Yes, so she are bad me up for goat meat, people.
Come on, one piece.
Something about goat soup. You understand? We're gonna do some goat business on the channel. What do you think?
One idea.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright people, so let's check out one new restaurant where we never come before. So we're gonna check out what them have to offer. Alright. Yeah, come Bella. Most likely chicken. Have somebody have first. And you can't tell her. Alright guys, so this is the restaurant here. Yeah, South River Road or Freetown. So, I'm gonna see what them have. And iPro is out that section. So let's just see what them have and things.
Just like the juice that we are making, so you can have fruit punch with alright. With liquor.
Alright guys, so the food I'm gonna share. Anyway, but the time too hot. Maybe I go drink tea, you know. Food they look nice. So I'm going to try mine. I don't know, no curry goat is not a chicken food. Then like.
But then they say a curry goat gravy.
Yes, see, me get piece of chicken food here.
Probably that.
Don't tell lie.
And right.
I made and tasty.
The gravy gummy, so you know say.
And you can taste the chicken food in the gravy.
I'm not telling you. A chicken food have gum.
Isabel, what to you?
It tastes good. I like it chicken.
Like chicken.
Nice good restaurant, you know.
I walk by, I see.
Walk by?
You walk by TV.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I see him coming already.
Okay. Wow, let's pass this restaurant when we go.
Bunting.
Bunting or sometimes we gonna go Salt River.
Mm-hmm.
Never know say I them thing you have one.
And you meat them big. Meat. Chicken.
Yeah. So actually we had planned to do a drone video. Give you your guys
Drone shot.
a drone shot. But it's windy man in Kingston, it windy today. Wind strong. So we never really want to send up the drone with that gust of wind. So
Big
next
chicken
time
wing.
guys.
Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. So please go ahead guys and thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, our family, our people. So see you in the next one.
Fried chicken here. Yeah, yeah, auntie. Well, when I fried chicken, I want a soup is.
You hear that kid?
White rice in the soup is.
Who is this gentleman here and this lady?
Yes, man. 3 Mile on TV there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Big up the Summit World.
Big up, big up, big up.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Good to meet you up on the road there.
Yeah,
no?
good to meet you too.
Yeah, man.
We're up on a running so
Yeah,
man.
yeah, man.
And we just go have a lunch to you.
Yeah, which one? Yes,
Right here,
yeah, man, yeah, big man. Sorry, so we don't come to the girl. I was chat.
I will tell you.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah, man, so.
Good dog.
Here we have to give thanks, so.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
man, we have to go. From Mario up and down the bush everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll go over there, you know.
Finally meet you too.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, every day we are chatting.
I tell you.
Every day, man. Yeah, man. Good people, man. And loving
Yeah, yeah,
people.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Wonderful.
Yeah.
That one, man.